CHERYL, Burton, Kathy, and Alan have the evening off. We begin tonight with the Drew Peterson trial. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte joining us live in Joliet with developments today. Sarah?
Well, Cheryl, the state's first witness wept as a very graphic photo of Kathleen Savio was shown to the jury. This follows an opening statement by Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow that was very non-emotional and dry, and also an opening statement by lead defense attorney Joel Brodsky, where he described Kathleen Savio as a woman with a hot temper. Day one done. Drew Peterson's lawyers are calling the first day of their client's trial a good one. Emotion was brought into the courtroom with the state's first witness. Mary Pontarelli wept as a large photo of Kathleen Savio's body slumped over in her dry bathtub was shown to jurors. Pontarelli was Savio's close friend and next-door neighbor. She discovered the 40-year-old's body.
You felt the horror of that night because, as I said, there was no way that was an accident with the way she was posed in that tub.
Well, I think the jury's going to see that photograph anyway, so you have to deal with it. It is what it is. All those jurors have been to funerals before. They've seen people who are deceased, so I don't really think it's that prejudicial.
In this morning's opening statements, two very different descriptions of the case were presented. Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow told juries, quote, on March 1st, 2004, Kathleen Savio's cold, lifeless body was found in a dry bathtub and it was staged to look like an accident, end quote. While defense attorney Joel Brodsky argued, quote, Kathy slipped and fell in the bathtub, case closed, end quote. Brodsky also tore into Savio's personality, calling her a madwoman. Savio's father and stepmother were offended by the way Brodsky portrayed Savio as an angry woman.
As far as Mr. Brodsky is concerned, he's got to stop trashing Kathleen. Drew is not the victim. Kathleen was.
While Savio is the murder victim in this trial, Peterson's attorneys say their client is the victim of wrongful prosecution.
He is a victim because they've taken an accident and they tried to create a homicide.
Defense attorneys also say that Drew Peterson is a victim of a media frenzy. Now, the trial almost came to a halt this morning when the defense called for a mistrial right in the middle of Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow's opening statement. The judge asked the jury to leave. Then he came back. The lawyers argued. The judge went ahead and said the trial will go on. And the trial has wrapped up for the day. Day two will be tomorrow. We are told that Mary Pontarelli's husband will be on the witness stand tomorrow. Live in Joliet, Sarah Schulte, ABC 7 News. Cheryl, Ron, back to you.
All right, Sarah, thank you.